Okay, another question here from our A4 topic. Not many of these, so take the time to make sure you get the right answer. Okay, in this case we're using the we're going to be calculating, the moment of inertia of a system which is made up of discrete parts. So in this case we're going to be looking at that distance, we're looking at the masses, and thinking about how we do so. When we're calculating the moment of inertia of a system like this, what we're looking at is the sum of mi ri squared. Now that's a bit over the top for IB. However, this is how you might see it in more advanced level physics sort of courses. You're adding together the masses of individual particles multiplied by their distance from a central axis squared. In this case, our distance is in the middle here. We have two masses on either side, and so therefore what we're really looking for is the same thing twice. We're looking at two masses which are 10 kilograms, however their separation from that center is 4. So we're doing 10 times 4 squared twice, and that's going to end up with 320, which is why the answer here is B. And the most common sort of mistake people will make here is that they'll use the distance between the two. In other words, they will get the 8, and that's where you're going to get your answer. If I get that right, that looks like D would be the answer there. In that case, what you've done there is wrong. You've kind of over-counted it. So you've got to always remember where is the center of this, about which point is the system rotating, and that's going to be that geometric center there right in the middle.